Hey, you, ever thought about maybe turning some skills you have or just knowledge into a bit of extra income online?
Yeah,
We've been digging into this platform called Whop, and, well, it looks like a pretty interesting way you might be able to do that.
exactly. And look, we're not talking about just another, flash in the pan website that disappears tomorrow. Walk's really carved out its own space.
Okay.
It's a marketplace specifically for digital products. So think about it. Maybe you've got an ebook just sitting there,
Mm-hmm.
or you're good at designing templates, maybe Notion templates, or you have some like killer trading strategies you could share. Even small software tools you built. WAP's the place where people might actually, pay for that stuff.
So it's kind of like Gumroad or Patreon, maybe.
Yeah, it operates in that similar space,
Yeah.
definitely. But its recent growth, it really suggests it's gaining some serious traction. Something's happening there.
Interesting. So the big question then, for someone listening,
Mm-hmm.
how can you actually tap into this? From what we've seen, it looks like there are really two main paths you can take.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is pretty straightforward, actually creating and selling your own digital products.
Okay, so this is where you look inward, right?
Exactly. Think about what you're genuinely good at. Maybe you're a fantastic writer. You could create a guide on something you know really well.
Yeah, or like you mentioned, design. Those Notion templates are everywhere. People love them.
They really are. Those kinds of things, they seem to find a home on Whop.
And what's cool here is that direct link between what you already know, your expertise, and a potential income stream. It's about figuring out what you have or what you can make that someone else would find valuable. Like
Right.
someone who's consistently good at stock trades. They might make a guide about how they do it, or even offer like real-time trading signals as a subscription.
Oh, interesting. Like a service.
Yeah,
Oh.
and small software too. Little tools that solve a very specific problem, those apparently do really well. Have you ever thought about how your skills could be, digitized like that?
It gets you thinking. Okay, so that's one way. What's the other path?
The second way in, and this is super handy if you're maybe not quite ready to launch your own thing yet,
Okay.
is affiliate marketing.
Ah, right. Promoting other people's stuff.
Exactly. You basically promote products already on WAP using a special link they give you. Someone clicks your link, they buy the product.
And you get a cut, a commission.
You get a commission.
Yeah. So connecting this back for someone listening, this affiliate model could be a really good way to build up some revenue, right?
Yeah.
Especially if you maybe already have an audience somewhere.
Definitely. Or even if you just know where to find people who'd be interested in certain types of digital products, it's really about connecting buyers with good resources.
And getting rewarded for making that connection. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, but there are tons of online platforms. Why focus on WAP specifically? What makes it stand out?
Well, our sources pointed to a few things, especially if you're just starting out. Big one, it's designed to be really user-friendly.
Okay, so low barrier to entry.
Pretty much. You don't need to be a web developer to get your products listed or to get your affiliate links set up and working. It seems quite intuitive.
That's good. What else?
What also seems quite noteworthy is the community aspect. There seems to be a strong sense of community there.
Like creators helping each other.
Yeah, apparently creators often share tips, support each other, which, can be a massive boost when you're figuring out a new platform. It's not just this anonymous marketplace. There's a bit of a human element
That's actually really appealing.
and anything else.
And just its growth, the trajectory it's on.
Right, more users coming in.
More buyers, more sellers,
Uh,
which naturally just increases the potential audience for your stuff or the stuff you're promoting as an affiliate.
More eyeballs, more potential sales.
Exactly. And the fact that they apparently even have rewards for creators who bring more people onto the platform, it suggests they're really serious about growth.
Okay. So for you, the listener, wanting to maybe check this out,
Yeah.
how do you actually take the plunge? What's the first step? Well, the creators of the content we looked at, they often share direct links right to WAP, so that's one way. But honestly, even just spending some time browsing the site yourself.
So looking around.
Yeah, it can be incredibly insightful. You can see what kinds of products are trending, how people present them, just get a feel for the whole ecosystem there.
Right. See what's selling, get some ideas maybe.
For sure.
Okay. So just to kind of wrap this up quickly for you listening, making money on WAP, it seems to boil down to two main things. Either selling your own digital stuff based on what you know or can do,
Creating.
or becoming an affiliate and promoting other people's valuable digital things.
Right. Leveraging what's already there.
And WAP itself seems like a potentially solid place to do it because, well, It's easy to get started, seems to have helpful community, and it's growing.
Exactly. So maybe building on that idea of just making progress.
Yeah.
Here's something to think about. What unique piece of knowledge or maybe a valuable skill that you have? What could you maybe transform into a digital format that could genuinely help other people out? That little seed of an idea right there, that could be the thing that opens up a whole new online door for you.